What is waiting around the corner? Let's go and have a look. So this is completely raw. I've literally just got it back now with the help of Mark. Had to rob a bit off it already, but I've literally just inflated the tyres because they're all flat, and I've plonked the bonnet on quickly because the bonnet is not bolted down. So yeah, just a very quick update today. It even has that barn find smell. Mould. So lots more videos to come. I will do a full sort of look over it in the next video, but just briefly, it's a 1997. It's a Mini Cooper MPI. It's done 61,000 miles, I think it is, and it was last on the road in 2007. So it's literally sat in a garage, which I'll show you where we extracted it from in a moment, for what, 12 years. Quite surprised to find it's got some nice bits on the front. So it's got 10-inch disc conversion, it's got high lows on the front. It does need work, it needs quite a bit, but I definitely think it's worth saving. The most important thing at the moment now, it needs a name. It does not have a project name, so if you've got any ideas, stick them down the bottom. I was thinking something along the lines of to do with the colour, so it's almond green. I assume it's almond green, pretty sure it is. So alley, I don't know. And I'm not quite 100% sure what we're going to do yet, whether it's going to be a full nut bolt restoration, whether it's going to be, you know, a tidy up. I think, like I say, I'm not going to go into it now. I think it definitely wants a front end. It definitely wants a scuttle panel, a panel on both sides, but apart from that, doesn't look too bad. Like I say, I'll go over it in more detail later. And just want to mention the guy, Tom. Is the previous owner. He's found the channel already, so he's going to watch the videos, which is absolutely great. And Tom was keen to see it on YouTube being restored, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So cheers guys, thanks for watching. Like I say, if you can think of a name, stick it down in the comments down below and we'll get this thing christened. It's done its first good deed. So kit needed a drive shaft in a hurry, so we've just nicked the drive shaft off it to donate to kit. I just thought I'd show you this quickly. I will go into more detail in obviously future videos, but as you can see, well, they 7.9-inch discs. They look like they've never been used. Obviously the smaller brake calipers, gas shocks, and it's got high lows on it as well, so it's a good start. I thought I'd mention as well, look at the state of my garage. There's crap and camping gear, stuff for IMM. It's a right mess at the moment. Thought I'd just show you the stuff, some of the extra bits I've got with the car. So Haynes manual, always handy, couple of spare auxiliary belts, steering rack boots, track rod ends, the original stereo. Really pleased about that because they're quite hard to come by now. So I hope that works. Not really too fussed if it doesn't actually. And obviously the original brakes that were on the car, they're shot to bits, but things like the drive flanges might be useful for something else. Calipers are shot as well, but yeah, might be able to clean them up, put new seals on them. Swivel kits, can never have enough swivel kits. Radius arm rubbers, and the radiator and fan pack as well, so sure that'll all come in useful.